This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a steak burger. First, select high-quality ground chuck with an 80/20 fat ratio for the best flavor and juiciness. Gently form your meat into patties, aiming for about 1/3 pound each. Make a small dimple in the center of each patty to prevent it from bulging while cooking. Finally, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation is key to a delicious burger. Now, let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a good sear. Place your seasoned patties directly on the hot grates. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side for a perfect medium rare, or adjust to your preferred doneness. In the final minute of cooking, add a slice of your favorite cheese, allowing it to melt beautifully over the hot patty. With your patty cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns until they are golden brown and slightly crisp. This adds a wonderful texture. Spread a delicious sauce, perhaps a homemade garlic aioli, on both the top and bottom halves of the bun. Then, layer on your fresh toppings: crisp lettuce, a thick slice of ripe tomato, and thinly sliced red onion. Finally, carefully place your hot, cheesy steak burger patty onto the prepared bottom bun. Now is the time to add any extra condiments or toppings you love, like tangy pickles or even a fried egg for an extra rich experience. Complete your burger with the top bun and serve immediately. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible homemade steak burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.